Hello, everyone. My name is Ambika, and today's webinar is about mindfulness apps. So let's get started. What is mindfulness? Mindfulness is the basic human ability to be fully present and aware of where we are and what we are doing, feeling and experiencing moment by moment. Mindfulness has been practiced for thousands of years in various religious and secular traditions. Mindfulness practices can help us to increase our ability to regulate emotions and decrease stress and anxiety and depression. It can also help us to focus our attention as well as to observe our thoughts and feelings without judgment. Benefits of mindfulness. Mindfulness can help us cope with depression, boost our psychological well being, manage physical pain, and even have a better memory. Being mindful of our emotions helps us to switch to more positive mindsets and work towards being a happier person. Mindfulness can help center you on being fully present for the right now. It can help you to let go of the what ifs in your future and the things you cannot change in the past. It can help you use effective coping skills before acting on self destructive behaviors. Mindfulness can help you to learn to calm yourself when emotions are getting out of control. It can relieve stress and reduce overthinking. Some types of mindfulness practices are seated, walking, standing, and moving meditations, short pauses we insert into everyday life, and merging meditation practice with other activities, such as yoga, art, or sports. There are many ways to simplify mindfulness. Apps that offer services such as meditation, yoga, and reflection are examples of ways you can easily access and explore the world of mindfulness. Now we will talk about some mindfulness apps which can help you be at peace. Aura. This mindfulness apps provides the user with daily micro meditations that last only 3 minutes apiece. Aura helps users relieve stress and anxiety with a technological advanced, simple, and effective meditation platform. It was created by qualified meditation teachers and therapists and personalized by AI. Aura also allows the option to keep a gratitude journal, track moods throughout the day, and listen to the sounds of nature. It even makes meditation into a game, as it allows you to level up as you learn and escape in daily challenges. This may be the right app for you if you have limited time throughout the day to practice your meditation. You have a 7-day trial, then you must pay for a subscription. For 1 year, it is $39.99, and for 3 years, it's $59.99. Next is Breathe. Breathe is an app that follows users throughout the day, from the time they wake up to the time they go to sleep. It provides them with supportive tools and guidance to help them stay on track with their meditation practices throughout the day. It offers 5-minute meditations along with tips for overcoming pressure, feeling love, and living with intention and inner peace. It is fully customizable, making it a user-friendly app to help support your practice. This app will prompt you to enroll in a free 14-day trial, at the end of which you will automatically be signed up for monthly membership, unless you opt out beforehand. Monthly membership costs around $12.99 and yearly membership costs around $89.99. If you choose not to enroll in a subscription, you will still have access to about 90 free meditations. Budify. With this mindfulness app, meditation sessions are organized by theme, according to where you are in your day. It is widely known to be one of the best apps for anxiety and is personalized depending on what you're up to, from waking up commuting or taking a quick break at work, to dealing with stress or having trouble falling asleep. The iOS app is $499 and the Android app is $2.99. There's an optional yearly membership for $30 as well. This membership includes access to multiple pieces of new content that are added each week, including additional transmission, meditations, and more. Next is Headspace. Headspace provides the user with spoken word exercises that are designed to be used for around 10 minutes a day, beginning with a 10 session pack that comes free with the initial download. It includes short meditations for people who are on the go and even SOS meditations that are useful during times of emotional crisis. You can try it out before buying it. It teaches users how to incorporate meditation into their own lives so that it works for them. Headspace also brands itself as being a gym membership for the mind. People note that they can feel the hard to quantify benefits from Headspace that they have to do with their attention span, equanimity, sense of alertness, and the ability to deal with stressors in your daily life. You get a 14-day free trial, then you must sign up for a subscription if you want to continue using the app. Monthly subscription is $12.99 and yearly is $69.99. Calm. The Calm app personalizes your experience based on what you want to get out of it. You can create a free account with your email or through your Facebook account. You can use a limited free version or upgrade to premium to get access to unlimited guided meditations, calming music, soundscapes, and sleep stories. Calm Premium is 64.99 Canadian dollars. Some free alternatives are Meditopia, Zen Lounge, My Life Meditation, and Insight Timer. For those of you who do not know, Cyber Seniors also offers guided meditations every Tuesday and Friday at 11:30 a.m. over Zoom. Sign up on the Cyber Seniors website. You can also listen to some past recorded guided meditations here. There are also guided meditations on YouTube for free. However, you may have to deal with ads which may interrupt your listening. Some other resources about mindfulness are The Power of Now, a guide to spiritual enlightenment by Eckhart Tolle. Wherever you go, there you are. Mindfulness Meditation in Everyday Life by Jean Kabat-Zinn. The Miracle of Mindfulness, an Introduction to the Practice of Meditation by Thich Nhat Hanh, and Mindfulness Podcast, and the Mindfulness Movement film. Now, time for a live demo. We'll talk about a live demo for Calm. So, installing Calm. Installing the app in Google Play Store is accomplished by typing Calm app in the search bar. And then the first one that comes up with this logo, Calm written in cursive over blue background, is the one you need to install. Click Install to start downloading the app. Then when it has installed, click Open. After opening the app, you will be brought to the welcome screen, where it will ask you what areas you would like to improve upon, or your goals you wish to achieve. This depends on person to person, so I did improve performance, increase happiness, reduce stress and anxiety, and better sleep. Then it asks you for whether you are interested in Calm Kids. You can skip for now if you don't need it, right here. After that, it will ask you to sign up for an account. Calm asks you to create a free account. You can sign up by email, Facebook, or Google. Now I will show everyone how it looks like as an app on the phone. So click on the Calm app right here on my phone. So this is the homepage where you can see your favorites or recently searched topics. We can see the bottom bar right here on your screen, which is Home, Discover, Profile, and Premium. Right now, I'm at Home. So now if you click on Discover is where you can search for meditations or songs. Next is Profile. Profile is where it stores your stats or your favorites recently downloaded, in other terms, your history. So here, as you can see, my stats right here, since I've not really used the app that often, but it still shows if I were to use them, then it will show my statistics. One thing which I liked about the app is that it has a mood check-in feature. So anytime you're feeling happy or sad, you can record it here and it will show you the types of emotions you felt on a daily basis. So here, as you can see on the top bar, you can see dashboard, library, history, and check-ins. So if you click on check-ins, it will show you 4 types. So for now, let's just go on to mood check-in. So here it shows you a calendar and the types of emojis you might have pressed. So for example, today I did content, like feeling not so much happy, not so much sad in the middle. So it shows me the emotion which I'm feeling today. And that could be done for previous days or on the future. So using this, you can consider where you're going wrong or why you're sad sometimes or like that. Calm also has a premium access. If you can see premium right down after profile on the bottom bar of your screen, click on premium. Calm has a premium access which costs around 64.99 Canadian dollars a year. It gives more access to 100 plus guided meditations. It has an entire library of sleep stories with new stories added every week, and it has exclusive music for sleep and relaxation. So let's say I want to look into meditation. So I would go down and search for one. So for example, Train Your Mind, Volume 1 by Wisdom, LeBron James. So if you click on it, then it will show you the timeline of the different meditations it has and its time frame. So if you want to play it, then simply click on play and then you can enjoy the meditation. This concludes our webinar on mindfulness apps. Thank you all for listening.